What's going on, guys? What's going on? New and added to the channel here. This here is a FMK 9C1 Generation 2 9mm, and they call this the Glock killer. The Glock 19 killer, what they call it. Because it's like a budget gun. It's like a $300 gun. And it's similar to the Glock inside and out. So I haven't shot the thing yet. Just got it a little while ago. Let me set this up right quick. Alright, here. This one thing I like about it. Look how easy it comes out. No sticking. 14 round. And look how it go back in. All you do is just say, wait. Oh, we gotta get over that hump. Once you get over that hump, watch this. I get over that hump. It is so easy. It ain't none of that smack, which a lot of people like doing that anyway. They like that. They love the show. I don't care about the show. Like this here, freedom, liberty, and that's a red dot inside to let you know that it's loaded. And right here it say, "Thank you, Armed Forces." This gun is actually made in California. I hear good things about it. I hear bad things about the old ones. And nice polymer frame right there. It's real light. The top is kind of top heavy now. You know, let me see if I can get this broken down for the first time for you here. Alright, come on now. Like a Glock, huh? This here is so light. Uh-oh, fell apart. We screwed now. Falling apart on us. Okay. Yeah, this very light. See the little metal slide pieces? It's good for keeping it from getting all wore out real fast. Placenta, California. And this here is like rubber. Look like it's hard like the gun, but it's rubber. Let me look at this. Now I ain't trying to look through the camera. Oh man, look what we done did. Oh man, I'm trying to do this stupidly. One hand. Come on now. I done stuck them up. Well, let me get this out and come back to you. Alright, we back with it. So, it come with little old field goal sights. I like the little field goal sights there. That's pretty much neat. I can't do too much review of this thing because I ain't shot it. I can't tell you what it feels like, none of that. But I just want to show it to you, you know. I don't know when I'm going to shoot it. I don't know at all. It may be next year sometime. I don't know. I just liked it and wanted it. When I saw it, I was like, I like that. I like that sand color. Like I'm in the desert, hiding somewhere. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, got a double dual action. Double dual action. Same thing, ain't it? Got double action trigger. That's the safety, see? You hit that. But one thing about this gun, it's got a long trigger pull, see that? And the reset, well, I can't reset it now because it's not loaded. it's crazy. That's crazy how that worked, but that's the way it worked. What more could I say?